So we all go through periods in our career where things are not that successful. We go through these trajectories. We always feel like when things are going downward, they're going to go downward forever. Been there, done that. When you're younger, it feels that way. The reality is that as you go through your career, you realize those trajectories aren't so bad. In fact, here's a chart that I've drawn. Let's look at the overhead camera, and you can see basically on the x-axis is time, on the y-axis is quality of life. So you start out at 0 years and go up to 80 plus years, whatever that may be. And the quality of your life actually does improve over the course of time. What we don't know is that it improves inconsistently. So there's these big swings up and then sometimes swings down. But overall, as you go through your life, things actually get better. And that leads to the point I'm trying to make, which is when we're going through the down times, a lot of times everything looks like it's on the negative downswing and it's going to stay that way. But that's not actually the fact, whether it's for your career or your life in general. Everything happens in cycles. So you have up cycles, you have down cycles. And if you can keep that in mind as you go through your career and your life in general, I think it'll help you kind of navigate through those down periods. We all go through them. Hang in there. I've had plenty of failures. I don't talk enough about them. I'm going to talk about those in future videos, but keep that in mind as you go through things. My name is Jamie Turner. These are the unspoken rules of leadership.